Alrighty then. Welcome to Meatball Trades. Welcome to Team Cindy. Great job this week, guys. I know some people got hurt a little bit. I ate some Hood. I ate some Sophie. Sophie was my fault. The trade paid. I was holding puts and I got scared on a curl back. And if you zoom out, you can keep from panic selling. Also, use the clouds. I just want to show you a quick chart and I want you to enjoy your weekend. If you didn't make a bunch of money, it's okay. They're open Monday and we will get them again. But I had posted in the chat that Cindy and I took the time to analyze the 15-minute SPY components, the major ones. And we did it like right in here. And the next day they went up. And I had posted that they were all weak. Next day the market goes up. This is Amazon. It's still on a downtrend, guys. And we saw that yesterday with the dump, okay? And so when you zoom out, you get the answers. You know, we were looking at something like this, which, oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Piece of shit. And so that lines up with this one too. But you can see the downtrend is there. And so we saw that and posted that Cindy and I had spotted this, all of them on the 15 minutes. They all look like shit. And then the next day the market goes up. Okay, for how long? Well, we still got a big downtrend on Apple. She could spike, but the market itself, not so much, man. Not so much. Here's a SPY. And so we see weakness and we see spikes in the VIX. And you watch the VIX for answers. And she gave it to us yesterday when she broke out. And here's the breakout right here on this red trend line. We were looking for a retest of this intersection on the VIX, 15-minute, and I had it circled. Well, she retested it. That was late the day before on Thursday. When VIX opened in the morning, it was already gapped up above this intersection. So that was the reaction. Here's the retest, and then it starts going. And here we are at 10 a.m., 9:55. It takes off. We saw the retest right here, and we held, right? And then we were 30 minutes in, and they showed us the breakout. And so that's it. It's SPY puts. And here's a retest of the next zone at 20, and VIX went to 22. And if we zoom out, we have a trend line there at 22 and a target. And so that's it, man. She's definitely going to go back and maybe retest 28. And so maybe that's 540 on the SPY. I don't know. I expect a rejection here at 22 because if you zoom out, you always zoom out. That's the answer to any question. It's still on a downtrend, but not much of one. We got that spike from whatever that was to 60 back in July or something. And so right now we're down here. When was this spike? August of 24. Okay. And so, it could go to that, whatever the 60. Nah, it could go to 28 though. 20, it could go to 28. I would expect a retest down here of 16 and a half, but they're not sending me an email. And it looks like this is a strong bounce right here. And so that's a really strong bounce. I don't think it's going to go below 18 again. Maybe retest the trend line at 1850. VIX is going, man. That's going to crush the market. So go with the trend. Do not buy calls on a red day. CVNA curled yesterday, but nobody else did. I don't like buying calls on a red day. I want to go with the trend, okay? But yeah, if the VIX is going to retest here and back off a little bit, we could see the market recover. I don't think it'll be a long-term recovery though. Let's sit back and watch. But we day trade. I day trade, so I don't care. Anyhow, hang in there, guys. Great job. Anybody that was on the puts with us, we waited and we got paid because we waited for the trend the last several days. We had to switch one day. We were in, I took a call or something and then switched to puts. I think it was Wednesday. But yeah, going with the trend and waiting before you throw down any serious money. You can take their money if you use a series of small bets spread out throughout the day. All right. Thanks for being here. Yes, I shared the whole screen. I don't give a shit.